In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loop countdown timer in your GoHighLevel funnels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a countdown on your funnel page and customize it so it matches your offer and design. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your main dashboard, often called the Launchpad. This is the starting point where you can access all the tools and features for your account. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your websites and funnels are stored, and where you'll choose the funnel that needs the countdown timer. From the list of funnels, click on the specific funnel where you want to add the countdown. If you have a lot of funnels, it can help to name them clearly so you can find them quickly later on. After opening the funnel, you'll see its different steps or pages. Find the step where you want the countdown to appear and click on Edit for that step. This will open the page builder where you can modify the layout and contents of the page. Inside the page builder, hover your mouse over one of the existing elements, like a headline or a body text block. You'll see an orange plus icon appear near that element. Click on this orange plus icon to open the Quick Add menu. Now, scroll through the Quick Add elements until you find the countdown element. Click and drag the countdown element onto the section of the page where you want it to appear. Take a moment to place it where it visually makes sense, for example, near your main call to action or an important offer. Once the countdown is on the page, click directly on the countdown timer itself. This will select it and open its settings. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel with a range of customization options. Here you can adjust things like the end time, whether it loops or restarts, the style, colors, and fonts. Make sure the countdown duration and reset behavior match your promotion or evergreen offer, and tweak the design so it fits your funnel's branding. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, click Save to keep your changes. If the page is completely ready for visitors and you're done editing, you can go ahead and click Publish so your new countdown timer goes live on your funnel.